In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tone controls in ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted your AI responses to feel more professional, more friendly, or simply more candid, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make those adjustments and what each option means for your conversations. Start by moving your attention to the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface. There, you'll see your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all your general preferences live, and it's the doorway to the tone and style tools we're after. Inside Settings, find and click Personalization. This section is dedicated to shaping how ChatGPT communicates with you across chats. You'll see several controls here, including base style and tone, characteristics, and more. Think of these as the personality dials for your assistant. Open each drop-down one by one. You'll notice options like default, as well as choices that lean more or less in a certain direction. For example, selecting professional will nudge responses toward concise, polished language suited for work, proposals, or formal emails. Choosing friendly softens the tone, making the assistant warmer and more approachable, which can be helpful for teaching, brainstorming, or casual exchanges. Candid makes replies more direct and straightforward, focusing on clarity with fewer flourishes. The more and less sliders fine-tune the intensity of that vibe, so more professional tightens formality, while less professional relaxes it without abandoning clarity. As you make selections, remember that these preferences influence how ChatGPT answers across your conversations, so pick what best matches your current goals. If you frequently switch contexts, say, from drafting business documents to planning a weekend activity, consider setting a balanced default and then momentarily adjusting a single drop-down when you need a different feel. You can return to default anytime if you want a neutral baseline. There's no extra save button here. Your choices take effect as you make them. When you've gone through each setting, base style and tone, characteristics, and any additional options, simply close the window. That's it. Your personalized tone is now active, and you should notice the difference in your very next prompt. To recap, you click the profile icon at the bottom left, opened Settings, went to Personalization, and used the drop-down menus to choose default, more, or less versions of tones, like professional, friendly, and candid. With these controls set, ChatGPT will sound the way you want, making your everyday work and conversations clearer, more consistent, and more you.